Hello and welcome to all the English learners. So today here in this video, I'm going to share my personal experiences that how I have learned this language. And I'm going to share that how you can learn this language without mugging up grammar rules, just like we have learned our native language. So I'm starting one series to explain you all and help you all that how you can make environment for yourself and what are the simple ways to learn English naturally. So if you are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel because every day I'm bringing new content for you to help you and guide you to speak English naturally, just like we have learned our native language. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and know that how you can learn English naturally, just like we have learned our native language. So I'm starting a new series of learning English naturally. As I always say, that we don't have to mug up grammar rules for learning this language. We can learn this language exactly just we have learned our native language. So in this series, I will help you and guide you that how you can create that environment for yourself and how you can learn this language naturally. So, if you are new here on my channel, so let me introduce myself to you. My name is Prerna. I'm from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. I'm an educator and the author of the book The Manifestation Path. I write reviews and make audiobooks in my other channel. And here in this channel, I help English learners. So in this series, I'm going to teach you that how you can learn this language without mugging up grammar rules. So I will show you that how by watching movies, by reading books, by listening music, by passive learning, by doing shadowing practice, you can learn English. So I'm going to make this series very interesting for you. I'll show you that how naturally you can learn this language by changing your environment and learning English in just a fun way, not just like you are studying any subject like science or maths or history, geography. No, it is just a language. So learn English exactly just we have learned our native language. Mine is Hindi. I don't know which one is yours. So we speak our native language so naturally and comfortably. How we have done it? We have never learned grammar rules for that. We have learned it naturally in a very simple way. We have observed our parents that how they were speaking, and slowly and gradually we started speaking that language. Exactly, we are going to do in this series. I'll teach you that how naturally you can learn this language. So be with me in this series and I'm going to make this series very interesting for you. So just think about your native language. How you have learned it. You have listened that language from your parents, then you have copied it, you repeated it, you made mistakes, and then you started speaking out your native language naturally. So exactly you can learn English language too in the same way by listening, by copying. And I want to share that how exactly I learned this language too. I have learned this language in a very fun way by not stressing myself. In this series, you will not only learn English, you will learn good habits, positivity, positive environment. You will also learn that how you can create that environment for yourself to learn this language. So I'm going to make this series very interesting for you and very knowledgeable for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'm going to help you to learn this language naturally, just like you have learned your native language. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's meet in the next video.